This 2017 Coachmen Freedom Express Deep Slide 298 Reds is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used coachman is 35 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, slide-out, skylight, oven, awning, auxiliary battery, CO detector, TV, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Coachmen Freedom Express Deep Slide 298 Reds is 6,876 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.